Imagine you're faced with a frustrating problem. You have a lengthy command line string that you need to comment on certain arguments and switches to provide clarity. However, you've tried various methods like using caret symbol in a batch file, but nothing seems to work as intended. It's a common issue that can leave you scratching your head, wondering how to overcome this obstacle. The solution lies in using %comments, a clever workaround that allows you to include comments without disrupting the command line. By starting your comments with %equals, you create invisible placeholders that the parser ignores. This enables you to add descriptive notes seamlessly, improving the readability of your script. Remember, steer clear of colons in your comments as they can cause unexpected behavior. Now, let's dive deeper into how %comments can be seamlessly integrated into your command line script. By employing the syntax like echo AAA % equals my first comment here equals %BBB % equals second comment equals %CCC % equals my last comment equals %, you can annotate each line effectively. These hidden comments serve as helpful guides for anyone reviewing or modifying the script in the future, enhancing overall understanding and maintainability. Building on the power of %comments, you can strategically place comments within the text itself. For instance, using formats like echo AAA % equals my comment here equals %BBB % equals this comment is in front of the caret equals %C % equals this comment is inside the text equals %CC, allows you to annotate specific elements within the command line. This level of granularity empowers you to provide context and explanations precisely where they're needed, ensuring clear communication in your script. In conclusion, tackling the challenge of adding comments to a complex command line script has been made easier with %comments. By leveraging this technique, you can enhance the readability and maintainability of your code effortlessly. Remember to use %equals for invisible comments and avoid colons to prevent any unexpected behavior. Keep exploring new ways to streamline your scripting process, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more tech tips and tricks.